Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ledger Cold Wallet Easy Guide. Connect your Ledger to a computer and open Ledger Live to begin setup immediately. Follow on-screen prompts to create a new wallet, choose a PIN, and record your 24-word recovery phrase carefully on the included card. Keep that card offline and in a secure place like a fireproof safe, and never type the phrase into apps or share it with anyone. Now we move to installing apps and keeping firmware current, which keeps funds accessible and safe. Open Ledger Live Manager, connect your device, and install only the apps you need for each coin type. Verify device prompts during installation and accept only actions shown on the Ledger screen. Regularly check for firmware updates and apply them using Ledger Live while your device remains connected and unlocked for the update process. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They pair well with long setup sessions and keep you comfortable while securing crypto. Look in the description for that link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Let's cover receiving and sending safely so you avoid costly mistakes. When receiving funds, always confirm the address shown in Ledger Live matches the address displayed on your Ledger device screen. For sending, set fees based on how fast you want confirmation and double-check the address on the device before approving. For large transfers, send a small test amount first to confirm everything works as expected and to reduce risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.